Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today I'm going to show you how to export transparent GIFs in After Effects in a super easy tutorial. To export the project we currently have open, go to Composition and select Add to Adobe Media Encoder. In the Output module, we choose the Animated GIF format. Next, choose the Animated GIF with Transparency option. If we click here, we enter the configuration options. When working with GIFs, we should not use very high resolutions. If we deactivate this box, we can easily reduce it so that our GIF weighs less. Additionally, we can decrease the frame rate to reduce the GIF size even further. We give the file a name and save it in the desired location. We click on the render button and that's it. Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.